So this is our new ceramic detailer, which will add great slickness and gloss. It can be used wet and dry and on all surfaces.
Oh, fantastic. So we're looking on applying it to a car that's been ceramic coated, and our customers then can reapply this as and when they feel like it.
For sure, but also very important, you can use it on non-coated cars as well.
Excellent, brilliant.
Let's give it a try. The new GYEON ceramic detailer can also be used as a drying aid. We spray it on a wet or damp panel. Take our silk dryer and then take a soft wipe and give it a final wipe down.